Hi guys, so I got a lot of requests to put this tutorial up, so I decided to listen to you guys. I was kind of debating because I'm actually personally not 100% happy with the way it turned out. This is the manicure that I have on in my haul video of my Christmas haul. And how I achieved this design, this is actually my first attempt at newspaper nails. And I've had a lot of requests for newspaper nails, but most every tutorial I've seen has literally been trying to get your nail to look like a piece of newspaper with like a light gray background, and then using words and text from the newspaper, which as it transfers onto your nail becomes backwards. So I didn't want backwards words on my nail, so I had two ideas, and on my nails is the first idea. These little cell phone codes have popped up like all over the place, including in the newspaper. And the only nail that really turned out very clearly is my left thumbnail. And I think part of the problem is that it's covering like the entire nail, whereas words or letters you're not transferring quite as much as the newsprint. And that combined with it being my first try, not everything transferred over completely even. I ended up with a few bald patches with some spots that were darker than others. But, it still gave kind of a cool effect. It reminds me almost of like really rough sponging or like a stucco siding on a house. But like I said, I'm not 100% happy with it, so I probably will be doing like a version 2 with my second idea, which I'll give you guys just a little sneak peek of now. I picked this up at my local Chinese buffet, and it's basically just a Chinese newspaper. So while it's going to turn out reversed or backwards just like everything else would with the Chinese characters, it's not going to be so obvious unless you speak or read Chinese. So I'm going to try and get that tutorial recorded in fairly short order, but like I said, the one that I'm going to be showing you guys today is with the little cell phone code, and the basic technique is the same whatever piece of newspaper you decide to do it with. You're going to need some rubbing alcohol. This is 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol, and that's what I saw to use from some of the other tutorials. It does come in like 90%. I'm not sure if that would be more or less effective, but I wasn't really trying to experiment. And since this one has such a short, small cap, those that have bigger caps may have enough room for your finger. I just got a little shot glass that I filled up to dip my finger in. So I hope you guys enjoy it, even though I personally do not think it's my best work, but I know I've had a lot of requests, and it is a little different from the way everybody else is doing it. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do patterned newspaper nails, and I'm happier with the way some of my nails turned out than others. I mean, just you can see the difference between my thumbs. This one turned out really good and this one didn't. I think that's all basically just a learning curve as you learn how to evenly apply the newspaper on your nail. So I've got a cup of rubbing alcohol off to the side here, and I'm just going to dip my finger in that for a few seconds. Here I have cut out the little cell phone code. Not sure what the actual name of this is, but this is what I'm going to be using on my nail. And once you've had it in the alcohol for a few seconds, you're just going to take it out and apply the newspaper right on top of your nail. And you basically just want to press it down and apply even pressure over your nail. And of course, this is a little easier when I don't have to try and do it in view of the camera. But after you've pressed it all over your nail for a few seconds, you're just going to peel it off, and there you have the pattern. And I have a couple here like on the side of my ring finger where the pattern didn't transfer very well. I'm just going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to rub some alcohol right over that spot. I've got an extra piece of the pattern, and I'm just going to apply that over that spot, and you can see how you can kind of fill it in there. So if you're not totally happy, you know, you can easily kind of patch up the pattern if you want, and, you know, give your nails a more uniform look. So I know I've had a lot of requests for this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thanks for watching.